Okay, here we are. Today is February 20th. That day, I'm using a wide-angle lens on the camera. Hopefully you can see that. It's a wide anyway. So here's a couple of, I don't even know anymore, Sanyos. All right, and then here is a bunch of minis right there. All right, and just going really slow. I've already got 30 seconds on here. Wow. Okay, and just got so many things happening here, it's not funny. Alright, so anyway, and then this is just the rest of the radio room, and radios galore. Alright, work on them so I can have time. Walk into the bedroom here and just pan around really slow, try to. Okay, just there's a bunch of stuff. There's some radios here. Not the Crown, but everything else is for sale. And not the Panasonic. This is for sale. I have a deal in the works for this. 2 people actually. But the one person may be ahead of the game. Now as I took a picture, only this person knows I'm going to get out some Steppenwolf here. Like I did before. Just another mixtape. There's more, you know, cassette cases there. And, you know, there's one of those Sanyos, you know, and anyway, not going to go there. All right, just too many things to try and say. I'm trying to keep this short because I have a lot to try to give out information-wise. Someone asked me about how to adjust the speed on the motors in there, and I'm working on my RX-A2 again. And here's the RX-F20, okay, and I got pictures queued up. So I'm going to put the phone down. I've got a line in on this here. I've got this powered up with a power cord, which goes down here to the power brick. Let me give you a close-up of that power brick. That's a National Panasonic. That's really rare, hard to come by, but that's what's coming with the RX-F20. Okay, so let's see. So I need the Steppenwolf tape. So here's that. All right, I'll put that there. And then I have, golly, and I have these 2 here, which, anyway, we're not going to go there. And I've just got so many little projects. Here's a Iowa, which has been a long project. This is another long project. Just not enough hours in a day. Now I'm going to put this on the tripod here. Okay. So I would put up microphones, but I just haven't got time to do all that. So now this is a wide-angle lens on here, so the edges might be a bit fuzzy, because that's the nature of the wide-angle lens. All right. And somebody admonished me for racing through the pictures really quick. Well, I'm going to try and not be so quick, but still I got a lot of stuff I want to try and show. So here I made a video with these 4 radios here, and then there's that, because one of these, let's see here, that's the F5, that's the F20, that's the other F20, and that's a Sanyo. Alright, and that's just that view. Here it is, just like I just showed here, okay. There it is again. That's the one I shipped to Switzerland. Okay, and then here, that's just another picture. Now here is the F5 in comparison to the F20. Again, the F5 is in front, the F20 is in back. And here's the, that's the F20 with the dual headphone jacks. This one only has 1. Okay, there's that view. In this view, the front, the top. Let me just show you, this has metal tape, Ambience, line in, and you run over here and you've got those right there. And I last worked on this back in 2018, July 31. So there's the input end. Again, it's got dual headphones. There's headphones 1 and headphones 2, and there's the power jack, and that's all, you know. There's the back, the bottom, the end, battery compartment, where the screws go, that, crack it open, that's what's inside there, that. These are for my view, but Just want to run through these, you know, and then of course I measure the belt. The flat belt is about 4 inches, and that's the secondary belt. That's the other belt, and then it takes two small little belts for the tape counter. There's one, there's the other one. Okay, and that's where the tape counter goes, like that. And I painted the speakers so they're nice and, you know, black. I tried putting a different speaker in there. It won't fit because the magnet's too big. And there we are, like that, like this. And then this one had just one of these little covers on here, and I didn't have any, this is the one that I sold, so I put, you know, cut my own pieces here and put them on here to keep the dust out, so that's why they're green. Alright, and there's, here is the, see, can I get this, here, I'll let you read that briefly if you can read that. 6 C batteries, 5 LEDs, okay. And then that's it. So that's it for that group of pictures. I bought this back in 2010. Okay, so there it is. It came with like that. So I've had this, what, 9 years. And I worked on it, made it work as well as I'm going to show you here briefly. And that's the box. That's the way it came, and that's good enough. So there it is. That's the way it came. And then I wanted to show, what was it? That folder. This folder. Okay, yeah, when I bought the white one, let's see here, open with that. So the other one came with the Sony F10, or the Sony CFS 210, and I took it apart, and so there it is. But, and that's all I know about that because I gave that to someone else. All right, so, and so that's it. So there are the pictures of I'm taking. Oh, okay. So that's right. I want to show this. Let's see here. Open with that. All right. So here are the other. These are the pictures of the white ones. So you see, the white one had all of those parts, but this. Again, the belts, that, I think these are the same pictures, who knows. Okay, well that was different. Yeah, there's my tummy. Okay, and then, yeah, so, and then, I don't know what that was a picture of, but, okay, so I've had fun, so let me minimize that, minimize this, minimize that. I'm good to go. Alright, so now let me, okay, manually zoom out the camera. Alright, so just zoom, 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 8 minutes. Okay. So now what I want to do is I don't have any microphones hooked up to this thing, so I'm just going to play it as it is. Alright, so, and I got the Steppenwolf tape out because, let's see, can you see me? Can you see it? Alright. Can't hold it up for everything, so. Alright, so, without further ado, so now if we hit the rewind as a one-time, well, there it is. So if you rewind it again, it should go back to the beginning of the song, or the beginning of the tape. That's what I wanted to show, if I can untangle myself from all these wires. Okay. That the tape counter is right there. Can you see that rolling along, the tape counter? Okay. Anyway, so I don't want to sell that song, so, but if you were to hit the fast forward, you can fast forward along. You see the little tiny tape counter rolling along. Okay. Just zipping along, so that works. Okay. And of course it'll, you know, jump up to the next song here. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't have it in play mode. You have to have it in play mode for that to work. So let me hit rewind. I'm sorry. And there it is at the beginning of that song. So we can play this again. But I'm not here to play the radio or play the tape. I'm just here to show you. Okay, that's the other thing. So, let me play the radio. Okay, so put it on radio. Oh,
Bueno, pues aquí te va toda la info. Resulta que este viernes, por fin, 22 de...
Another day to start your career.
Feelings to...
Brothers share an unbreakable bond, but life's unexpected adversities put their...
Fine, and then let's take this here and put it back over here, alright? Get the happy, I've already, it's Munster cable. Let me take a poor phone and jam this thing all up into it. I have to pull that off because this is not a whatever, okay? Alright, so get that in there. Wake the phone up. Come on, phone. Alright, get out of that. I don't want to show that off. Come on. Go to the VLC. Go to here. Go to the boombox thing. And play that. Alright, and then this should be on. There we go. I don't use this phone to do this with, but
Don't stop now. Can't stop now. Say don't stop now.
okay. And then clear all. And then go back to this and play something else. Female sing. Oh, I get in trouble playing something. Here, play that. Oh, that's a kind of a long intro. Right. So like I said, it works on line in, you can do that. And of course I don't want to sell that music, so oh, shut up. Alright, so that works. The radio works, the tape player works, the tape counter works, that works. It all works. Okay, I didn't make a recording with this, I can't remember if I ever did. Oh, that's right. Well, let me go back to playing the radio here, I guess. Okay, so...
Our United Faith Mortgage. United Mortgage Corp, Melville, New York.
Right?
Animal list number 1330.
Remember, I plugged it into the
It's a charter school with campuses, so...
If you unplug the brick, it stops working, right? So, if you take the thingamabob here and you unplug it from the end, right? This here.
That's time back under your influence. Prep is now accepting applications for this fall. Visit our website for upcoming parent information sessions and learn what makes UNE Prep so unique. Visit uneprep.org.
Here's my little green pieces in there because, got to have the dust out of there, right? Okay, so there it is like that. Get this off. Drop that down. Looks like this on the end, okay? Got your dual whatever, your external speakers, your external mics, your full complement of line in and line out, okay? And of course it takes 6C batteries. They go, right there in this compartment. That's the, let me show you the, you see that there, hopefully, that's the whatever. It's got a complete antenna. Okay, the antenna, pops out. Looks like this. You pull it out and you stick it in, right? I'm not going to sit here and do that all day. It's got a record mute. That's for inserting a blank spot into your tape so the music search will work. You need about a 3 or 4 second of blank space between songs for the music search to work. If you don't do that, it won't find your music. You got your AM, FM here. Put it on AM. That's AM. Tape is off. And this has got ambience. I really can't show you ambience. And it's also got metal tape and chrome and metal tape capability. If you flip it, if you're playing tape and you flip it between normal and CRO2, you'll be able to hear the difference between the 70 microseconds and 120 microseconds equalization is built into the tape deck, but it's very hard to hear You have to have a really good, clear, clean tape to be able to hear that. But you'll be able to hear the difference in the brightness. It'll change a little bit if you're using a normal tape. Too much to try to explain all that. I know this. The rest of y'all may not, or may not care, but if you want to have it bright, keep it in normal. If you want to use metal tape, keep it in, chrome or normal, or like that. Okay. I don't know what more I can say. How much time have I spent here? How much time? 15 minutes. Okay, I gotta go. Having too much fun. This has been sold. I don't have any more of this model. It's a very good model. It's a good sounding model. It's small. Yes, this has a little blemish here. It's got a little paint defect. It's got, someone had a piece of tape on here at one time. What can I do? I'm not going to sit here and scratch that off and ruin this finish anymore. If you want it for looks, well, this is not a looker. It's got some discoloration. People are all concerned about the, here's white on the bottom and yellowish on the back, but if you want something that plays and sounds good, like I said, I painted both of these things here to make them sharp again. This is a great machine. So